Getting a flat tire is a bummer. It happens to everyone. Knowing how to change a tire is important. It can save you time and hassle. Before you start, gather these tools. Spare tire, make sure it's inflated. Jack, this lifts your car. Lug wrench, this loosens the lug nuts. Car manual, your car might have specific instructions. Ready to change that tire? Let's do it step by step so you can get back on the road safely and quickly. First, find a safe spot to pull over. Make sure it's away from traffic and on a flat, stable surface. Park on level ground away from traffic. This ensures that your car won't roll while you're working on it. Next, engage the parking brake. This is crucial for your safety. This prevents your car from rolling unexpectedly while you're changing the tire. Now, loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. You might need to use some force, so don't be afraid to put your weight into it. Use the lug wrench to turn them left. Remember lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. But don't remove them completely just yet. Then, jack up the car. Make sure you have the jack positioned correctly. Place the jack under the car frame, near the flat tire. This is usually a reinforced part of the car, designed to handle the weight. Consult your car manual for the correct jack point. It's important to get this right to avoid damaging your car. Raise the car slowly and steadily. Pump the jack until the tire is off the ground. Make sure the car is stable before you proceed. Now remove the lug nuts completely. Now you can unscrew them all the way. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose any. Take off the flat tire. Be careful, as it might be heavier than you expect. Pull it straight out towards you. Now it's time to mount the spare tire. Line up the holes on the spare tire with the bolts on the car. This might take a bit of adjusting, so be patient. Put the lug nuts back on by hand, turning them to the right. Just get them snug for now. We'll tighten them fully in a moment. Lower the car slightly. Use the jack to lower the car until the spare tire just touches the ground. This will keep the car stable while you tighten the lug nuts. Tighten the lug nuts again, but this time use the lug wrench. Make sure they're good and tight. You don't want the spare tire coming loose while you're driving. Tighten them in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure on the tire and helps it seat properly. Lower the car completely. Make sure the full weight of the car is on the spare tire. This is crucial for the final tightening. Finally, tighten the lug nuts one last time. Make sure they're as tight as you can get them. Give them a final check to ensure everything is secure. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your tire. Section 4. Safety first. Always. Safety is not just a priority, it is a necessity. Safety is key when changing a tire. Always find a safe location away from traffic. Avoid busy roads or uneven surfaces. A flat, stable surface is essential for your safety. Turn on your hazard lights. This warns other drivers of your presence. Use wheel chocks to secure your vehicle. Place them behind the opposite tire to prevent rolling. This simple step can prevent accidents. Never go under a car supported only by a jack. Always use additional supports. Jacks can fail, so never put yourself in a dangerous position. Always prioritize your safety and use proper equipment. Section 5. Practice makes perfect. Changing a tire can be tough the first time. It can be frustrating and time-consuming, especially if you're not familiar with the process. Practice in your driveway before you need to do it for real. This way, you can build confidence and ensure you know exactly what to do when the time comes. Familiarize yourself with the tools and the steps. Knowing where everything is and how it works can save you precious time and reduce stress. Knowing what to do can make a stressful situation a little easier. With practice, you'll be able to handle it smoothly and efficiently, turning a potential disaster into a manageable task. Section 6. Stay connected for more tips. Like this video? Hit that subscribe button for more car care tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends and family. And remember, stay safe out there.